Today I'm going to show you how we constructed the pallet bar for our brand new showroom. Now if you like these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. So, first things first, picking your pallets. What you need to do is make sure that the slats are nice and good. Don't worry if the rest of the pallet is broken down. Now if you do opt to break down a pallet, please ensure that you do it safely and watch out for any nails or anything like that. You can opt to purchase your pallet slats instead of breaking old pallets down. This can save you a lot of time. Unfortunately, you can't build the whole thing out of recycled pallets, so we've had to buy some CLS for our frame. We've also opted to recycle some of the chipboard from our warehouse. Now, if you're going to be using your bar outside, then I'd recommend using plywood instead of chipboard. All of these items are available from larger DIY retailers. Most of the equipment is fairly standard. You have a hammer, wood screws, tape measure, a drill, pen or pencil, a spirit level, and we're also going to be using a mitre saw. So we're going to be using this for clean and precise cutting and for cutting any of the 45-degree angles that we need for the corners. First you need to decide on the area you'd like to cover with your bar and build your frame to suit. Start with a simple rectangle and then insert vertical supports every 400 or 600 millimeters. Now this measurement depends on the total weight that's going to be placed on top of or on any shelves in your bar. Screw the chipboard to your frame for more support. Ensure that the chipboard starts and finishes on any vertical supports for extra strength. Fill the front of your bar with the slats to give that nice pallet effect finish. Later on we're going to be installing some LED strip lights underneath for extra effect. So what we're going to do is measure our top piece and add an extra 60mm to any facing edges. We're going to conceal our LED strips for the best underbar lighting effect. To do this, we're fixing a piece of CLS to the overhang on each side. This leaves enough space between the CLS and the bar for our strip lights. Once the CLS is fixed to the overhang, simply screw pallet wood to the facing edge for a more refined and finished look. So now you have your basic bar. Sand it down to make it smooth and safe. We're painting it with yacht varnish to make it waterproof. Tuck the LED strip lights between the CLS and the bar. Put screws in the bottom of the CLS, being careful not to screw it into the lights. These can now be turned on and enjoyed. Use a spirit level and a long piece of wood to line up the name template. Line the letters up with the printed template. Put in marker nails that can hold the letter in place. Remove the letter and glue the back. Once glued, attach it back in place. So that's it. Don't forget to click down below for more videos like this and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.